Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today's look, I'm going to start with the P. Louise eyeshadow base. I believe that this is the color Rumor 02. I wanted it to be light enough to still be kind of a nude light daytime color. So I'm just going to put this in like a cut crease motion because I'm not doing any blending. This look is actually pretty simple. I loved it so much, honestly. I'm gonna go in with this gold shimmer at the top and pack that on top of where I put the P. Louise eyeshadow base. It doesn't have to be too perfect because we're gonna go in with the liquid liner to outline it. So really you just want to make sure that you have that color nice and packed on there. Now I'm gonna take my black liquid, this is by NYX, I want to say, the liquid eyeliner that I pretty much use all the time anytime I'm doing a graphic eyeliner, just because it's so cheap and because the tip is really small and it hardens up really well. It doesn't smear. I've noticed that with the e.l.f. liquid liner, it does smear a little bit if it doesn't hurry up and dry, and it takes a minute. So I really do like this one, and I think it was like $7 at Ulta. So I'm just gonna trace around where I want it, and I want it like a, I don't know what you call it, like a huge cat eye. So right here I did go in with concealer to fix the part that I saw I messed up a little bit. I went in with concealer first, and now I'm packing that eyeshadow back on there. So if you don't have that great of a steady hand, don't worry, it can be fixed with concealer. It can be fixed. I'm going to fix that wing too because that one was also kind of messed up. So this is the concealer brush, and then packing that color back on there to fix it. Now as you can see here, I'm going to finish the cat eye portion of it. I guess that's what this thing is called. I'm not really sure, but you guys, I really did love this look so much. Like, I'm obsessed with graphic liner right now. Like, I could literally do this with any color and wear it. I really could. Okay, so here I'm just checking to make sure that they're like even, I guess, like equal. I don't want one eye to look like bigger or wider than the other one. I want them to look pretty even. So here I'm just going in. I'm going to make this side a little bit thicker because whenever I put the line there first, it was kind of thin, and I wanted to match the other side. So boom, we are popping. I'm taking my concealer here to sharpen up that corner because we do want that crease or the liner to be sharp enough to kill. So these lashes are by Every Girl's Hair. I will put the link for their Instagram page in the description box below. I've used these lashes so many times. Like I've said in my previous videos, one of my friends, she gave me a couple sample packs, and they are actually pretty lit. Like, these lashes are nice. They're mink, they're reusable, they're $12 on her website. No way am I sponsored. Literally, I just love these lashes that my friend gave me. So after your lashes are on, I did go ahead and do my face makeup off camera because I wanted to give you guys a shorter video because the next one will be pretty long. So here I'm just overlining my lips again. I think that this brown is by Wet n Wild, and I'm just going to go around my lips, overlining them a little bit. I do like my top lip to look a little bit bigger than what it actually is, so I am going to make sure that I'm lining that one up really good. I chose a brown lip liner because I'm going to use this nude lipstick by Juvia's Place. This is in the color Toffee. I wanted to keep this look pretty neutral. I kind of feel like I want to do it again, but with a red lip to make it more poppin'. But this day I was wearing nude colors, so I wanted to keep the look nude. It's not very often that I don't have like a color on my lips, so I really love this lipstick. If you have not tried their nude collection from Juvia's Place, their lipsticks, they're all beautiful, like really nice. So that is the end of this tutorial. This was the final look. Hope you guys liked this video. Hope it was easy enough for you to follow. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and you'll see my face in the next video.